has been a great journey. I would like to, first of all, welcome our today's chief guest, Ms. Roop Rashi, Textile Commissioner of India. Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your time for being with us today. I would also like to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Atul Shah. He is the spokesperson for BJP in Maharashtra. We have with us the Consulate General of Argentina. Please, sir. Mr. Kerr, Editor, and Mrs. Kerr, Ms. Maria Kerr, she is Deputy Consul General. So, Mr. Sridhar, Executive Director of Handloom Export Promotion Council. We have former Chairman of Exposal, Mr. Amit Ruparelia with us. And we have a lot of, so we feel greatly supported by the industry, by the trade. The last show we already had, in fact, in this, a good success post-COVID, and this one we have more than 700 exhibitors, brands, manufacturers from 32 countries who are going to show, who are showing their products across 4 halls, and we already have about 40,000 pre-registrations from buyers, because the type of innovation in materials, in applications, in design. So we started those awards with the idea to encourage innovation in Indian home products, and I think the industry has picked up really, really well, showing the potential of India. So we are heavily by seeing all the product which is displayed over here. And this is helping us not only in seeing the product, but it is helping us in even making our sites more beautiful, more interesting, and this is giving us immense support. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming here.
Good morning, everyone. Ms. Roop Rashi, the Textile Commissioner, Mr. Sridhar, the Handloom Commissioner, the Jute Commissioner. So we work on all textile here, the handloom and the jute and all the architecture. And moreover, the Consul General of Argentina. We are celebrating 75 years relation with you, India, Argentina. Now I just want to congratulate Mr. Rumta and his team. I'm coming here for the 3rd or 4th time. The exhibition which we see in foreign countries is very much in Mumbai. The professionalism, and Bhabiji is always with Mr. Rumta, taking care of all the small little things. Now one thing I'm so happy, when our Prime Minister says, मेरा देश आगे चल रहा है, आगे बढ़ गया है, it has gone beyond that. और इसलिए आज यहाँ पर आकर समय नहीं है, कोई जो बाहर भी आते हैं इंडिया से, पहले तो बड़े बड़े सिटी से आते थे, मुंबई, पूना, नासिक, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, अब छोटे छोटे शहरों से आते हैं। ये सैचुरेशन और करा दिया आपने, दैट इज क्योंकि वो मार्क ट्वेन की कविता आज पहुंची नहीं होती, उनको सब जल्दी चाहिए, सब प्रोडक्ट चाहिए। So what is this life full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the tree. Oh my God, I shall never be free. तो ये अर्बन बायर्स ने दिखा दिया है कि उनको बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट दो. And I'm looking at the stall there. I wish this exhibition a grand success, and for years to come, you go on doing and अपना देश आगे बढ़ाते रहो. रुमटा जी, धन्यवाद. आप सब किसी का नाम रह गया और जो भी यहाँ पर आए, मेरा सबको नमस्कार, धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Nitaji. Thank you, the whole team of HAH, respected Shaji, Consul General of Argentina, my colleagues from Ministry of Textiles, the whole of industry, esteemed architects, artists who are with us, the whole of industry. It's a matter of definitely pleasure as well as privilege. I was here last year with Honorable my Secretary Rajna Shah ma'am, And I think the bond rose since then for me. And when Mamtaji asked me that I should be here, I just thought that there is no way I cannot be here, and I feel that the decision is definitely, I'm happy about the decision, and I second whatever Atul Shah ji ने बोला कि हमारा देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, ये हमारी चीज़ों में परिलक्षित हो रहा है. अगर 600 cities 600 out of our around 770 districts, वहाँ से टेक्सटाइल्स का जो हम लोग का फोकस है और सबसे बड़ा योगदान है कि हम लोग अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स तो बनाते हैं देश विदेश के लिए, हम सबसे ज़्यादा रोज़गार अर्जित करते हैं अपने देश के लोगों के लिए. कम से कम 5.4 करोड़ रोज़गार डायरेक्टली जनरेट होता है और उतना ही इनडायरेक्टली जनरेट होता है. तो इस सब में आप सभी का कितना योगदान है, सब फाइबर्स का योगदान है, हैंडलूम्स का योगदान है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स का योगदान है, जूट है, कॉटन है, मैन मेड फाइबर है, और फाइनली उसकी जो सप्लाई चेन हम लोग अगर अच्छी बना सकें अपने देश के लिए, एज वेल एज डिमांड साइड पे, आई रियली एम हैप्पी अबाउट द अमेजिंग डिज़ाइनर्स हु वी हैव ऑन द राइट साइड, बिकॉज दे विल क्रिएट द राइट काइंड ऑफ डिमांड एंड राइट काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू फॉर ऑल फाइबर्स, whether it is for the farmer from the farm and for others. In case of cotton, we have also launched our own brand Kasturi with some products in the International Cotton Advisory Committee Convention last year. And I expect that our industry is going to grow with leaps and bounds. हमारे देश आगे बढ़ रहा है और आगे बढ़ता जाएगा. और personally, I am thankful to Consul General of Argentina, Deputy Consul General Maria. She is a facing person. She joined with us in the International Cotton and Convention, and she has been fostering our bond as a government-to-government bond and working. I mean to say, she's taking half the burden, as we say, delegation of Consul General, and she has been doing a great work. I see a lot of women here. Being a woman, I do believe in women-led development, and I'm happy that HGH conforms to that. With these few words, I once again wish all the success to all